It's the last day of work for me, and I am super, super excited. Excited at the fact that I am going to be off for a whole 7 days, like a whole 7 days. But that 7 days, I know it's going to be activity packed, obviously cooking, going here and there, binging on, Netflix. Like, ah, I'm super excited. Anyway, guys, this is another vlogmas for the day. It's currently 6:36 in the morning, and I am geared up for work. So I'm wearing one of my, I've had this Christmas jumper. I've had it for a very long time, and I just love it. It's very, very thick, I just love it. So I decided to wear it again this year. So yeah, like I said, that's me ready to go. I just want to check in with you. How are you guys doing? How is everything? How are you prepping for Christmas and stuff like that? For me, I'm almost done. I just need to shop one or a few things from the African shop, and that will be me. And then maybe some from finger foods from Iceland that we can have in the morning of Christmas. So that's pretty much that. Anyway, guys, let's talk about the fragrance of the day. So I am wearing this Jo Malone Pear and Frisia. That's what I'm wearing today. Oh, I want another bottle of Jo Malone perfume. There's so many of their perfumes that I want to try, but this is the only one I've been able to buy so far because it's not cheap. That one. And then I'm gonna spray this Sol de Janeiro dupe. So this is the dragon fruit, and it says hair and body perfume mist. So it's for hair and body. Before some of you will come for me, hey, why are you spraying perfume on your hair? Anyway, guys, let me go, and I'll see you guys later. So heading for my first patient. Yep, heading for my first patient. Going down. It's gonna be a long day today. It's breakfast time, guys, so I'm going downstairs to go get a roll and something. So I'm going to the canteen downstairs. See you shortly. Right, lunchtime. It's currently 12 o'clock, so I'm heading down for lunch. It's still raining, the weather is grey, and I don't think I'm going to get away early today. But the good thing is the fact that I'm finishing work today. yes. So what I'm getting today for lunch, I don't know, maybe mac and cheese with some chips, but I'll see what they have downstairs. Let me already go, guys, and I'll see you later. Okay. All right, guys, 9 hours later. Yes, reason being that I asked to finish an hour early today, so it's currently 4:35. So my finish time was my finish time is meant to be half 5, but obviously I was like, no, it's Friday, and after today I'm not back to work for another week. So I asked to get away since about 3 o'clock, but because we're really busy, I was in thoracic today. We're really busy, like busy with back-to-back patient. So eventually one of my team that were like, Wemi, do you want to get away at 4? And I'm like, at least thank God I already had my tea break. So she gave me an hour, which I jumped at, So that's why I said 9 hours later. So I'm just heading home now. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get home, try and do a few things tonight, and hopefully go to African shop tomorrow as well, get the last few things that I need. But I'm quite worried now that I might not have the space for the stuff, just for the little things I need to buy from the African shop, but we'll see. Maybe I'll delay it till Monday and then go to the African shop first thing very early in the morning. And that, yeah, guys, so let me get into the car and I'll see you guys later. All right, so guys, that's me back home, and like I told you guys that I wanted to wrap the Christmas presents yesterday, but I just couldn't be bothered because yes, I've got wrapping paper that I could use to wrap the Christmas present, but just because I hate wrapping gifts. And I remember I told you guys that I bought a bag last year, which was what I used to put in the Christmas presents. And these are the bags. They're like Christmas bags, and they come in different sizes. So when I got back home from work, I was like, you know what, that balcony, I'm going to go and ransack. If it means messing up everything, let everything be messed up. So these are all the bags. So this is the biggest one. This is the biggest of the bags. Yeah, this is the biggest. And then it comes in like various sizes. So what I'm going to be doing now is, it comes in different sizes. Look at that. Like, I remember specifically, I told the kids that don't tear the bags, don't rip the bags, because I am going to be reusing them again. Look at this. So they come in different sizes, so you just, you know what, I'm just going to show you guys how I use it to wrap my present. Okay, so these are all the bags. I've got loads of the different sizes. I hold the presents in there. I just stacked them up on my bed. There are some that I'm still waiting for, but the mini ones I'm going to be wrapping them with you. So I picked some of the items I picked up from Superdrug. So maybe we should call this like wrap Christmas present with me, right? I'm just going to put it on the side so I can easily grab the bags. So as you can see, this headband is quite small, right? So, and like I said, my daughter loves headband, so it's quite small. And the other item in here, it's a body fragrance, so I'm just going to look for a proper size just to show you guys how I wrap it. So this is one of the bags now. You just open this up and then you pop the stuff, the present inside of it. Pop the present inside of it. Pop the present inside of it. There, and then what do? You do that, and that's how, you know. And obviously my kids are grown; they're not going to go and open the things under the Christmas tree. So that's all you do. So now, obviously, because so that the child will know which one is theirs. So I'm going to write their name. So I've got this sticky label, and I'm going to just put their names in it. So that's what I'm going to do as well. That's how I'm going to wrap the Christmas present. Okay. So I've popped my daughter's name on there, and I'm just going to, so it's reusable. So you can just open it again that way. And then the name of the owner of the present. Maybe it's best put it in it on the gift itself. Put it on the gift itself that way. And then I don't want to rub off the marker, and then put it straight back in there. And that's voila. So you guys sit back and watch me wrap my Christmas present. But in the meantime, let me play some old school music. All right. So these are all of the Christmas presents. In fact, these are all the Christmas presents that have been delivered. Like I said, I'm still waiting for some that are yet to be delivered. So here they all are, all up there. And this took me just less than 10 minutes. Apart from the fact that I was fluffing about, dancing, this was less than 10 minutes to wrap this, because I was just putting the items in the bags. Each and every child, I already know what they are getting anyway. So just from the clips there, I wrote their name down, and some of the items, I would just have to wait for them to open it up to know what they are getting. So that's all it does. That's, well, not all, but some of the Christmas present that I picked up there. So yeah, anyway guys, if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. I guess I'm going to end the vlogmas here. That obviously is a vlogmas, but then I've decided to wrap the Christmas present as well. So I don't think I've got the details of where I got the bags from. So if I found the details of where I got the bag from, I will definitely be putting it up down, maybe in the description box or something, in case anybody is interested, maybe for next year, maybe not for this year, no, but maybe definitely for next year. Okay, it just makes wrapping up Christmas presents very, very easy for me. Like, I got like majority of the Christmas presents wrapped up. Like, can you believe that? Anyway guys, if you've watched this video till now and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? So don't forget to like, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe if you've not yet done so, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any video from me. And this is me wishing you a lovely Christmas in advance. And yes, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything or any other video from this channel. So I'm just gonna go now, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye.